Hey, this is Chandler with Classic Care Services, and I just wanted to share a typical Monday for me. And I want to share each job I did today. And this is my setup. You can see how tall those doors are. They're arch doors, so I can't seal them. But I always protect over the area rugs. And we're going to protect the corners. But this is the setup here. It's about a 200-foot run. And I'm going to be cleaning downstairs in the basement. They had I think she said it was a sewer leak, and it just came under the baseboard here in this area. So I'm just going to clean this area. And then they held some moisture to go into this room, carpeted room right off the exercise room. And I'm going to clean this carpet. Just to clean and sanitize it for the customer. And here I'm cleaning the carpet. I'm cleaning and sanitizing it. And as you can see, it's very heavily soiled. Well, not really. This is about the average soiled carpet that I would clean. So it's lightly soiled. And I'm just cleaning out any type of residue that was left over from the flood. Here's my second setup in the same home. I'm going to clean the master closet, which is the heaviest soiled area that I'm cleaning today. So take a look. And here I'm cleaning the heavily soiled carpet. It's going to brighten up quite a bit, especially after I do my dry strokes. And so this is the end of the first job. So on the job number 2, I have picked up a 13-foot long nylon rug. This is a job that I did about a week ago. I did some wall-to-wall carpet cleaning for them, and they were very happy with it. And so they asked me to clean this rug for them. The rug is very heavily soiled. So I got it loaded up on Godzilla, and I'm ready to pull out. I'm at the 4th stop, picking up some equipment from a water loss at a church. I helped them to get ready for Easter. And so it was a wonderful job that went well on Saturday. And I'm here to pick up the equipment and head back to the shop. And this is my last cleaning stop of the day. The weather was so nice and so wonderful outside, so I just asked the customer if I can clean outside under their, I guess you would call this a carport. There's another name for it, but I don't remember what it is. But you see I'm going to clean these spots just on this side of the cushion, only on one side. So I'm going to clean that entire panel and the front of the cushion as well. And there's 4 bar stools I'm going to clean as well. So it feels great out here, great day today, really comfortable. So I just wanted to work outside. And I'm just showing you my setup here. I'm knocking off some pet hair that was on there because these are organic stains from the pet. So check out the rest of my setup. Well, I'm back at the shop. As you can see, I got all this equipment I got to unload. But it's great to have a truck where I can get the drying equipment and rugs in at the same time and still have plenty of room left. I'm going to pull this rug out and put it to the side until I get to it. And just showing the drying equipment, got these couple dehues there, some more fans there. And unload and get ready for tomorrow. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. A typical day, I'm going to treat a couple of urine cushions, and then I'm head to the house. And I'm filling up my tank now with water, so I'll be ready for tomorrow. Thanks for viewing.